How to fix WhatsApp contact not showing on iPhone in 2023. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp contact not showing on iPhone in 2023. Ever faced the issue where your contacts mysteriously disappear from WhatsApp on your iPhone? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's troubleshoot together. First of all, open WhatsApp on your phone. And then you need to click on New Chat. After that, scroll down and go to Invite to WhatsApp. Go back and open the settings of your iPhone. Scroll down and open WhatsApp. Turn off the Contacts button and turn it on. That's how you can fix contacts not showing on WhatsApp. Also, check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.